What is up, everybody? It's John from 3 Guys, 1 Puck, here to bring you a 1920 MVP hobby box. 20 packs, let's jump right into it. I always forget about this little piece of tape. Alright. Colton Parayko, Andreas Janssen, Nico Hischier, Colton Parayko puzzle back. Just the Upper Deck logo. Alright.
What?
And a rookie redemption.
Really?
NHL Western Conference.
Dang.
Central.
Wow.
Nice.
1 in 400 packs. Good shit, dude.
That's crazy.
Good for you.
Alright. Dougie Hamilton, Patrick Marleau, Shea Weber. Wow, alright, banger first pack.
That was your first pack?
Yeah, it was.
Wow.
Tuukka Rask, Evgeny Malkin, TJ Oshie, Sean Monahan, and a Supernova's Patrick Laine. Quinn, get the trade going, buddy. Let's go. That is a nice looking card. Looks like he has a turtleneck on. Antoine Roussel, because Barry Kapanen, and Oliver Ekman-Larsson. This pack, or this box, has been incredible so far. Let's see if we can keep it up. 2 packs, 2 bangers. Dylan Larkin, Danton Heinen, Darcy Kumper, Adam Henrique, Silver Scripts, Jared Spurgeon, Ryan Getzlaff, William Nylander, and Chris Kreider. Jaden Schwartz, Robin Leonard, Jacob Arana, Dante Fabro, wow, Stanley Cup edition Ryan Poehling script.
Nice.
That for the house, man.
Let's go. That is a nice card.
Will he keep the 3-goal pace?
Oh, I don't think so. Alexander Barkov, Josh Bailey, Tom Wilson, the greaser. Jonathan Taves, Jimmy Howard, Matt Murray, Trent Frederick rookie, Corey Crawford, Ryan Dzingel, Pierre-Luc Dubois, and Jacob Voracek. On to the next. Braden Holtby, Artemi Panarin, Connor Hellebuck, a rookie Rudolph's Balkers, something like that.
Yeah.
A net crasher Sidney Crosby.
Nice.
What a good card. Let's go. Keep this up. Josh Morrissey, Brady Tkachuk, not a rookie, Linus Ullmark. Riley Smith, Bo Horvat, Andrei Vasilevsky, and another Alex Ovechkin checklist. Braden Point puzzleback of Matthews, I believe. Claude Giroux, Elias Pettersson, and PK Subban in a Nashville jersey again. Not on Nashville anymore. Joined the Devils in the offseason. David Rittich, Nazem Kadri, Thomas Tatar, Patrick Kane, a Stanley Cup edition script Nathan McKinnon. It's a good looking card. Little Nate Mack from Cole Harbor. Sam Reinhart, Andrew Shaw, and Oscar Klefbom. Brock Besser, Marcus Johansson, Devin Dubnyk, Ryan Johansson, Gulam Brisbois, rookie, Brisbois as Quinn says, Jamie Benn, Nino Niederreiter, and Justin Schultz. This pack will be the halfway mark, the 10th pack. See what we got. Evander Kane, Jack Eichel, Patrick Hornquist, a silver script Tyson Barrie, no longer on Colorado, actually on Toronto. Matt Zuccarello, Ty Ratty, Andre Burakovsky, and Ryan McDonough. Jordan Bennington, Matt Duchene on a Columbus jersey, Philip Forsberg, Jonathan Drouin. Nice looking mustache there. A Cale Makar checklist. Okay, that's my first Cale card. Now we just need the rookie Cale.
We all got one of those.
Frederick Anderson, a Sidney Crosby checklist, which I believe I pulled in my last box. And a Kevin LeBanc. Derek Steffen, Joe Morrow, Adam Henrique, a John Gibson Silver Scripts, a Drew Doughty Laser Shots. I believe we all pulled one now. Is that correct?
Drew Doughty laser shot?
Yeah.
See?
There you go. Jimmy Vesey, Alex Galchenyuk, Pittsburgh Penguins now. Tyler Seguin. Tyson Barrie, Kyle Palmieri, Nick Ritchie, Alex Ovechkin, Paul Stastny, Jonathan Huberdeau, Brent Burns, and Kyle Connor. Wayne Simmons, Lars Eller, Evgeny Kuznetsov, Andreas Janssen Puzzleback. It looks like Nate Mack's arm. Tuukka Rask, Script Stanley Cup edition. It's good looking. Elias Lindholm, Dominic Cahoon, and Ryan Murray. Chris Tierney, Thomas Hertel, Thomas Chabot, Joe Pavelski, Silver Scripts. I just got a rat card. Oh no.
A what?
You hate to see it.
Oh.
Brad Marchand, Stanley Cup edition out of 249, number 71.
Nice.
You hate to see it, but at least it's a good card.
Wait, what's the number?
71.
Well, 177 back there.
Jake Muzzin, David Pastrnak, and Anze Kopitar. Alexander Wenberg, Mark Giordano, Zach Parise, Cale Makar rookie card. There we go. Look at that. Haha. I like how they spell it. Cale Makar. Beautiful. Vincent Trocheck, Silver Scripts. Clayton Keller, Tyler Toffoli, and Brendan Gallagher. Ricard Raquel, Jeff Carter, Evgeny Dadonov, Nico Hischier, a laser shot Steven Stamkos. I am so happy I pulled this.
Nice.
What a nice card. That's definitely going in my PC. Charlie Coyle, Mike Hoffman, John Gibson. 3 packs left. Let's see what we got. Brooks Orpik, Shane Gostisbehere, Alex Tuck, Patrice, wow, Patrice Bergeron. We've been doing this for too long. Nikita Kucherov, Vincent Trocheck, Nicholas Backstrom, Travis Konechny. All right, Andreas Athanasiou, Carter Hart, Taylor Hall, Kyle Palmieri, Silver Script, Joe Pavelski, Stanley Cup Edition Script, Michael Backlund,
Maybe next time, huh?
Ryan Suter, and Ben Bishop. And the last pack to rule them all. It feels like a good one. right. Timu Meyer, Darnell Nurse, Nathan McKinnon, Alexander Texier, Silver Script rookie. That is a really nice signature. I'm a big fan. And the pull, Mika Zibanejad, 145 out of 249.
Oh.
Stanley Cup edition. Parallel. Matthew Tkachuk, Matthew Barzal, and John Carlson. So that will wrap it up for today. These are the 2 numbered cards, as well as I will show off the Cale Makar because I think that's probably my best pull. Cale Makar rookie. And we also got this Line and this Ryan Poehling. Both very good looking cards. And that will end it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys later.